Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine and today's video is all about the Outschool intro video. So I literally just refilmed mine. I had one for when I first applied, but I wanted to upgrade it, okay? I wanted to give you some tips and how to upload it because it's a little tricky if you have a big video that you're trying to upload. So let me just go ahead and start. This is gonna be a quick video. I'm pretty much just going over the requirements and then showing you how to upload it. First and foremost, you're going to introduce yourself. Say, hello, my name is Catherine, or insert your name here, whatever your name is. Then you're gonna go over all your professional experience, your background, you know, any teaching experience, or what qualifies you to do what you're doing. So for example, like I want to teach makeup classes on Outschool. So I've done a little freelance work the past few years, so I mentioned that, as well as all my teaching experience with VIPKid and teaching online and all that stuff. After your background, you can, this kind of ties with the background actually, but then you want to state any classes that you want to teach and why you're qualified to teach them. After that, you're going to go over your teaching style, your teaching philosophy. How I did mine was I basically said I believe kids remember things better when class is more fun, so I always try to make classes fun, engaging and interactive so that it sticks better. And besides that, I mean, who wants a boring class? You want classes to be fun. So that's kind of how I explain mine. After I go over the requirements, I'm gonna show you my video. What I did just to get ideas is, besides like looking on YouTube for Outschool intro videos, I'll go on the Outschool website and I would just find classes, and under all the classes you can see the teachers and you can see their intro videos, so you can use some of that for inspiration. They also say to be personable and connect. You definitely want to have high energy, just be happy, be personal. Definitely rewatch your videos before you post it. Make sure it's fun, make sure the happy energy is getting across, because if it's not, it's a problem and you run the risk of having lower bookings. So just be happy, be fun. Intro video is a promotion of yourself, so definitely just put your best foot forward. Make sure you're happy, fun, you make good points about yourself, really sell yourself, you know? They can stumble across your profile and read about you, but videos hit different, you know? Like, they see my video and I'm like, hello, I'm Catherine, blah, blah, blah. They'll be like, oh, she seems nice, she seems fun, besides reading like my profile, because they limit the amount of exclamation points you can put. And if you're anything like me, exclamation points mean happy, periods mean not happy. That's silly, I know, but that's how I text. And so I just want it, you know, I want to be super happy in the bio, but it sounds like I like to teach. But if they watch my video, it's like, I love to teach. It's different, it hits different. Did that make sense? I hope so. So you can tell them fun facts, or you know, just things you love. I definitely mentioned that I love Harry Potter and I love to travel and makeup and all sorts of stuff. So definitely mention just all your passions in life, because that's what's so cool about Outschool, is you can literally teach about anything just as long as you're passionate about it. You don't even need a degree. Like, it's a cool platform. Lastly, this is not a demonstration of your teaching. This is just an intro video. So it's literally just you sitting and talking. You don't need examples of your teaching or anything like that, like kind of like what Powfish and VIPKid and stuff, they kind of like that, but not here, not this. This is just an introduction. Before I show you my actual video, I did want to go over how to upload it, because it tricked me at first. To upload it to the Outschool platform, it has to be under 100 megabytes. So if yours is over 100 megabytes, which mine always is, I've downloaded Handbrake. It's free to download, it stays on your computer. And yeah, you pretty much just download that, you put the video through that little program, and then it spits it out with less gigabytes. This is how I shrunk it down to under 100 megabytes so I could upload it to Outschool. Hello, so I'm going to show you how to download the Handbrake app so that you can convert large files into smaller files to upload to Outschool. So first you're just going to Google Handbrake download. It looks like this, and yeah. Once you download that, it'll be down at the bottom and you just click it. So then you're going to upload the movie that you want to shrink, for lack of better words. Go to open source and then click what you want to convert. Okay, so then hit start. Give it a minute. I think it took so long because I'm also screen recording this. It looks like I'm like singing a very touching song. Okay, and then what I do to find it, because I never know where it puts it, I just search. So Outschool Intro. I believe this is it. So yeah, and that's all you have to do. And then you can just upload to Outschool or, you know, whatever you're trying to upload. This works for anything that you're trying to shrink in size. So anyway, I hope that was helpful and have a great day. So here is my intro video. Hello, my name is Catherine and welcome to my classroom. I have been a teacher for over 8 years now. I've taught swim lessons, reading, writing, math. I've tutored, and for the past 2 years, I have taught English online to Chinese students. So I love the online teaching world, and what I love most about teaching is just connecting and engaging with my students. I believe students learn best when things are fun, engaging, and interactive, so that's exactly how I like to do my classes. That way, everything that they learn sticks in their brain longer. And besides remembering what we've learned, what's life without fun? So I like to make classes super fun, super engaging, and very interactive. Some fun facts about me. I love makeup. Love makeup. I've been a makeup artist for the past 6 years, so I'm so excited to teach some fun looks like this one. This one's a little everyday, but there's some fun looks out there and we will get to them, okay? Okay. I also have a YouTube channel, so I know how to edit in Final Cut Pro. I know how to do Photoshop, so I'm excited to teach my students everything about that. And I love to travel. Love to travel. I've lived in the Philippines for 4 months. I've lived in France. I visited Mexico and Ireland, and I have planned on visiting way more countries. Also a Harry Potter fanatic. I love Harry Potter. I could talk about Harry Potter all day. I am from Alabama and my favorite animal is a cat. I have a cat. Her name is Sasha. She's very fat and very fluffy. I love her. Anyway, those are some fun facts about me. I am so excited to teach on them and I cannot wait to meet you in my classroom. Bye. I hope this was helpful for you. Remember, just keep it simple. Some people like to add different graphics, other cool things, and that's awesome if you want to do that. I just want to keep it simple. This is something I just want to be done with, kind of. I'm excited to teach. I'm over the intro video. We'll see how this one does. You know what I mean? So anyway, keep it simple. You can just film on your phone. If you film on your phone, film horizontally, so there's no black bars on the side, not vertically, horizontally. Or you can film on your laptop. I'm using my camera, so anyway, you don't care. I hope this was helpful. My link to apply to Outschool is down below. You can also use that same link to get, I think, $20 off classes for your kids. So if you have kids who want to take a class on Outschool, you can use that link and you get $20 off. It's beautiful. And if you use my link to apply to become a teacher, email me at heycatherinedavis@gmail.com. Outschool does not give me your email, okay? And I want to help you because it's fun, it's cool. It is a little bit of a mental roadblock to overcome to upload a class or just start, you know, you have to make your own curriculum for this. So it's a tiny hurdle, but I'll help you through it. So again, if you use that link to become a teacher, email me at heycatherinedavis@gmail.com. And yeah, anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day and don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye. All about the outro. No. All about Outschool. Well, no. Yeah. Other things you can do is or other kids should, memory, megabytes, whatever it is. Storage space? I don't know. Yeah, it spits it out with less bytes. Anyway, whatever.